It's Tianashannell. If y'all want to see how I got my hair from this to this, continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so I'm conflicted about what hairstyle I want to do. But I think I'm basically just going to do like a wash and go type hairstyle with like 2 braids in the front. I never did this hairstyle before, so we just going to have to see. So I'm going to start by splitting my hair up into 4 sections. I just wash my hair and I just rinse the conditioner out. I already showed y'all how to do the wash and go, so the wash and go part might not be that detailed. All the products will be linked down below. So yeah. I split up the bag and I got this big fat ass. Whatever. I'm gonna try to drench my hair as much as possible. Cause normally I do my wash and goes in the shower. But I'm filming a TikTok and it's just been too much. I might even put my hair under the sink. Cause that's how drenched I like my hair. When I do it, all I'll be using is this wet line gel. This is really all I ever use. Ooh. If I can open it, y'all wait a second. That's it. This was a super big chunky section. And for now, I'm just gonna add more gel, like split it up more. Add more gel to the roots so the roots aren't extra puffy. And leave the bottom alone and just add some water. Or just drag it down a little bit. If that makes sense. See that? Loosen it into the root. And grab the rest down.
Myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again.
Got this one. I'm about to dip the ends back in the water because that's the loosest. It's the loosest part of my hair. So I really need like the least amount of gel in it because this is really heavy gel. It'll weigh it down. And then I'm gonna clump this section together. And that's basically how I'm gonna do every section. I'm gonna put some more. Just go like this. Good. I'm about to do the other section off camera for this section. So I basically did this section. I'm almost done by the thing. So
I should have figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
okay, yeah. So let's get into the actual style part of this tutorial. Get all the edges out. So I don't know if I'm even in the frame. Finish another here. And then trap. You want to braid really tight. From what I see right now, I'm not too much fucking with it. If I'm being real. But, let's see.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap. How the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like it's stuck in your soul. I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
So, same thing to the other side.
On me. Lazy and broke. Know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me.
I think this is about the same. This look better now that both sides is braided. But now that both sides is braided, I'm thinking I should have did like boho braids in the front. Yeah, so this is how it's looking. So now I'm about to just pin everything or clip everything back. And attempt to do the edges. It's really hard to do my edges when my hair is like really wet. So we'll see. Yeah. So this is the hairstyle for now. Of course, when I do curly hairstyles, I always come back when it is dry, but these are the edges. It's not the cleanest, but I think it is supposed to have like a, I don't want to say like a rustic look to it, but that's how most of them look. Like it wasn't giving, it was kind of giving like a messy, cute hairstyle and not extra, you know, clean. So this is what it looked like. I'm also about to just stretch the back now so it won't even dry to the point where I have to like do too much and stretch it. Because one thing about the back of my head, like y'all already see how short it is, it's going to shrink up. Yeah. I'm only doing it twice. I'm using the satin scrunchie. Like that. Just in the back. Yep. So I'll let it dry for like 2 or 3 hours and be like back like I said. It's the whole 24 hours later. Literally. I went to sleep with my hair wet. Woke up, hair wet. I dried it with this. This is all I did to dry it, y'all. It actually feels so warm and good on the scalp, but that's all I did. This is the finished product, and I will no, that's too much. This is a finished product, and I will be back. Okay, I don't know where that came from, but this is the hair. Like I said, y'all, I know there's pieces that are a little elongated, a little stretched out, hence these. I'm not going to straighten my hair for a whole entire 8 months because of that. And we'll just chop it off slowly, or I'll do like a protein treatment, get Olaplex when I get Olaplex money. And yeah, but this is the hairstyle. I had 2 bobby pins up here like for my TikTok, but honestly very cute. I feel like the down, like I've seen the hairstyle down like this, but I think it's very cute behind the ear also. I'm really feeling like behind the ear a little bit more than just the straight down, but still really cute. And I have another really cute natural hairstyle video coming soon. I did a funny little TikTok transition video for this hairstyle, so check that out. I'm not gonna lie, for the most part I'm finna start like doing my TikToks again, like the hair transition TikToks, and those will probably always be posted before the YouTube video. So make sure to follow me on TikTok. I got really good cute shit on there, and yeah, you'll see all that first, and then I'll be on YouTube probably like a day later, because I'm posting Monday and Friday, so just always know that it's either gonna be Monday or Friday. And it'll be on YouTube, like the more like detailed thing, because like the transitions is not like a tutorial. It's just literally me going from like hair not done to hair done type shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really showing anything. But I just feel like I look so cute and the hair turned out so good. I even tried to put on the same t-shirt. I'm not dirty. I didn't do anything yesterday except it is a stain on here. So I could like do the transition right. But this is in for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I got a lot more natural hair videos coming for y'all because that's what y'all want to see. And I got a vlog maybe coming up. There's gonna be an itty bitty vlog because my camera died mid-trip. Really not mid-trip, after the first day. And I didn't bring my charger, so and look at the footage. It's like funny footage. Like, I want to watch it. Don't. Nobody tripping on me. But yeah, love y'all.